Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to get into it from here. Sync up your poi into same time. And I think this is the easiest way for beginners to get into it. Your poi are in same time on the side plane. You wrap it once around your hand, and in order to do the wrap, what you do is, I'll show you from the side view, you stick your fingers out to the side, however many fingers you need for your wrap. So some people need 4 fingers, right? So this is a 4-finger wrap, but then some people want a 1-finger wrap. This is a 1-finger wrap. Whatever your amount is, you wrap at the appropriate amount. So you do both hands at the same time, you wrap, you stick your fingers out to the side and you wrap. Now it's short and it's on the side. Then what you do is a figure 8 to bring it to the inside, and then you split it into split timing. So you do just this same figure 8 you would do for your underhand weave, right? Just like it's the same thing. Let's do one hand at a time. Wrap it, pinch it. So once you wrap it with the 3 fingers, you pinch it, or however many fingers you pinch it. Then do a figure 8. So just this guy here. And then instead of crossing all the way to the other side of your body, cross to the midline. Or cross really in front of your boob. You want to go in front of your nipple line, basically. So you're going to hold it here with that hand in front of your nipple line. Now let's do your right hand. You're in full length. You wrap it up, you pinch it, you do a figure 8, and do the figure 8 instead of crossing your body to the other side. You cross so that it's in front of your nipple line. And then let's try with both. Both of your poi are here on your side plane on the outside in full length. You stick your fingers out, wrap it around, pinch, so you put your thumb down to get it to stop wrapping, go nice and slow, then you're gonna figure 8 to the inside, each one in front of their nipple, and then split it to split time. Okay, and now flip it back out and release to full length, and let's do that a couple times. So it's in full length, you wrap it, pinch it, flip it to the inside, split the timing, and you're in your underhand buzzsaw in here. Flip it back out. Let's try that again. We'll do it slower. You wrap, you pinch, so it's now short poi on the outside, and then you flip it to the inside, so they're both in front of their own nipples. It's still going underhand, so it's pushing down at the bottom. I want to do it in one smooth flow, so that you can go from this, you're in your circles at your side, you wrap, you pinch, you flip it to the inside, and then you split it into split timing. And now we'll flip it back out, release, let's do it again. Your underhand, you wrap, pinch, flip it to the inside, split the timing, you're an underhand on the inside. Flip it back out, let's do it again, same time, 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap, pinch, flip it to the inside, split the timing, and release to the outside, full length, and 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap it, pinch it, flip it to the inside, split the time, you're in your buzzsaw, and release to the outside, go to full length, and 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap, pinch, flip to the inside, split the time, and release, and we're underhand, and 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap, pinch, flip to the inside, split the time, and then one more time, flip it back outside, and same time, 5, 6, 7, 8, wrap it, pinch it, flip it to the inside, split the time, you're in your underhand buzzsaw here. Booyah.